Hello friends. Hello friends, welcome again. And I am creating this video. This project title is Online Pizza Ordering System. I have developed in Python, Django and MySQL. So we created this project using two different type of UI and both are the bootstrap thing, and also I am using latest version of Python, that is Python version is 3.12 and the Django version is 5. So these things technology I am using in this project. This is a front end page of this project. You can see this is a front end page of this project, online pizza ordering system, and this project title is online pizza ordering system. I have developed this project in Python, Django and MySQL, and I have used HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Some of the jQuery library also I have used for giving some good effects inside the project. You can see like this, you can see there is a slider. You can see there is a slider. We have added 3 images on this slider and it's coming from the JavaScript, right? You can see here categories also. You can see search bar. You can search anything from here. Okay, so this is a home page of this project. Okay, this is a about us page. You can see this is a about us page. This is a static page, nothing dynamic in this page. This is a products page. You can see all the pizza which are coming from the database. Okay, you can see baby corn pizza, cheesy pizza, lamb pizza, white chicken pizza. You can see. Sorry, this is a dynamic page. Okay, so all pizzas are images are coming from the database. Okay, same for the category. Here you can see 8 categories related to pizza. You can add the number of categories from the database. This is also a dynamic page. Okay, this is a register. This is a user register page. Here user can easily register here. This is a login, admin login and the customer login, and this is a contact us page. You can see this is also a static page like about us. We have integrated a small map here. You can see. Okay, so first you need to log in. Okay, without login you can't buy any pizza. So login ID is customer and the password is test. Now click on the login to account. Okay, so this is a user dashboard. You can see important links, your orders, total orders, confirmed orders, order in transit, delivered. You can see each and everything from this. Okay, if you want to buy some pizza, click on the shopping and the products. If you want to buy baby corn pizza, click on the view details. You can see details about the baby corn pizza. If you want to buy 2 pizza, like 2 baby corn pizza, click on the add to a cart. You can see your cart has been updated successfully. You can see baby corn pizza cost per unit. 2000 is per unit cost and quantity is 2, then amounts gets calculating automatically. Total cost is 4000. If you want to proceed to checkout, click on. If you want to continue shopping, if you want to white chicken pizza, buy white chicken pizza, click on the view details. You can also add this pizza has been updated on the cart. You can see the total amount is 6500. Okay, if you want to proceed to checkout, click on that. This is a payment dummy page. This is nothing real in this page. You can enter any card number, name of card like a Visa, expiry date 23, CVV 123. Click on the make payment option. Okay, you can see your payment has been done. This is your personal details. Order ID is 17 and the order status confirmed, username Mansa Singh and the contact number this, and this is your order. Okay, your order has been, your payment has been done. So if you want to see your orders, click on the my order section. You can see all your order details. Okay, you can see all your order details from the my order section. If you want to see this order details, click on the eye icon, you can see your order details. Okay, if you want to update your account, click on the my account section, you can easily update your account. And this is a change password. If you want to change password, you can, or update your password, you can click on the change password and you can easily update your password. And this is a logout. Okay, so this is all about the front end thing. And one last thing I want to tell you, this is a session driven. You can see the administration option is showing, logout option is showing, dashboard option is also showing. If I log out, you can see your upper menu has been changed. So the system is checking who is login. So accordingly that upper menu has been displaying. So this is all about the front end panel, what we developed the project. Okay, now comes the admin panel. For admin panel, you need to open admin first. So without login, you can't access the internal page. So user ID, so the admin ID is admin and the password is test. Now click on the sign in. Okay, so this is a admin dashboard. You can see each and everything. This is a very attractive dashboard. You can see each and everything from this dashboard, like a total orders, order delivered, confirmed orders, order in transit, total orders, customer, all products, quick menu. If you want to minimize, you can click on the minimize option. If you want to see, then click on the maximize. You can, this and drag and drop thing also, we can use a basic pagination here. You can see this is all thing of power of the table. Okay, now if you want to add product, click on the add products page. Here admin can add new products from this page. Okay, and this is a product report page. You can see all the products, all the pizza report from this page. You can easily edit and delete from here. If you want to edit, click on the edit. You can see the product has been visible in the edit format. Okay, if you you can also export the data as well as CSV, as well as Excel, as well as PDF. Okay, this is a column visibility. If you want to hide the image, you can click on this. The image has been not visible. If you want to see the image, then click on that. The image has been visible. Okay, same for the category. This is a add category page. Here admin can add the new category from this page. Okay, and this is a category report. You can see all the category report. You can easily edit and delete from here. Okay, this is a order management page. This is a all order reports. You can easily edit order, view items, cancel orders. You can do it from here. Okay, and you can also export the data as well as CSV, as well as Excel, as well as PDF. Okay, this is a customer management page, add customer page. Here this is a add customer page. Here you can easily add new customer from this page. Okay, now this is a customer report. You can see all the customer report. You can easily edit and delete from here. Okay, or this is a change password. You can, admin can easily update his password. And this is a logout option. Okay, so this is the admin panel. You can see the view of admin panel and also the view of user panel. So we have to develop these two different types of view for this managing this whole project. So this is all features we have developed inside the project. If you need any type of enhancement, any feature, just put it into the comment box. We will develop the new project according to your requirements. So don't forget, subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.